Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint bricks in Grounded. First, understand that mint bricks are a valuable resource for crafting high-tier items. To begin your hunt, you'll need the right equipment. Mints are typically found in cooler, shadier spots, so knowing where to look will save you time and effort. Prepare your inventory for collecting these essential components. To harvest mints, you'll need a busting tool. An ant club is a good starting option, but stronger tools will break mints faster. Equip your tool and approach a mint chunk. Strike it repeatedly until it breaks apart. Each chunk will drop 5 mint shards, which are the raw materials you need for crafting. Gather as many as you can carry. Once you have a good supply of mint shards, head to any workbench. Interact with the workbench and navigate to the crafting menu. You'll find the recipe for mint bricks there. Each mint brick requires 5 mint shards to craft. Simply select the recipe and craft as many bricks as you need for your projects. This process is straightforward and quite quick. Mint bricks are essential for crafting some of the best weapons and armor in Grounded, offering significant combat advantages. For reliable mint sources, check around the sandbox and under the picnic table. These spots often have several chunks. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Happy crafting and good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.